So every season I like to go through my wardrobe, pull out all the irrelevant pieces, and just so I have a lot more space. Very much summer wardrobe at the moment, and it's pretty chockers in here. So now I'm just weeding out anything that's super hot, summery, brights, and I'm going to put them into storage now, just to make a bit more room to bring in those kind of trans-seasonal pieces. So I've got these boxes, these underbed storage boxes from Bunnings, nice and big. So I pop my summer shoes in this one and folded up knits in this one. There's a little hidey hole down here for my boots. And one tip, I always buy these boot pillows or cushions or whatever they're called, and they keep my boots standing up straight. So I organise everything in the wardrobe according to occasion. So this is my more dressy, going out, meetings, work, and then this is all relaxing, school pickup, working from home, and then I just hang it in colours. When you strip back your wardrobe to just the things you're going to wear, it really makes you appreciate what you've got. You can see everything at a glance. It gets you excited about the new season, and it also stops you from shopping because you can't remember what you have. You can see it all on display, fill any gaps with new season essentials, and then that's it. Hopefully some of these tips help you.